Cougar Motors. I'm gonna show you guys some nighttime footage so you guys can see the car at night.
Hold on, y'all want to see sneak peek?
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas say I'm having drugs. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, serving pounds down the zip. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, serving pounds down the zip.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Rell to Rell, man. Back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man. It's your boy, man, Rell to Rell. Y'all already know what it is. Today I'm starting my video off at the shop. I got light install that I gotta do today on the channel, and I'm putting some Cougar lights up in my wife. Yeah, it's the new ones, man. Link will be in the description. We're gonna be putting them things on my wife's car today. And man, y'all see the Hellcat up out here. Yes sir, that thing is dirty. I gotta get it washed because I got a car meet to go to today. And y'all might want to click on y'all post notifications and subscribe to the channel if y'all want to see that car meet. But y'all see this thing is dirty as can be right now. So what we got going on today up in the shop, before I get off into the main reason I started this video, we have a wide body kit getting put on in this thing. They got this fan over here, so y'all gonna hear that noise. But look who over here doing this wide body kit. See, they got it almost put together. So on the charger, why y'all think I'm going wide body? Yes sir, we did that in-house, you guys, in-house, front and back. Yes sir. Hold on, y'all want to see sneak peek? Oh, we ain't gonna show you too much, but that let you guys know why I am wide body in my stuff myself. So I ain't gotta go nowhere. Then we got my Gordo in this thing, you know what I'm saying? Both of the Gordos in this thing, and both of them got the same weight.
Nah, he's fatter. He's fatter. He's not skinny. He's fat as shit.
Bruh, I don't know.
He's fat with no muscle. I'm fat with muscle.
I think you fatter because you a little taller.
He's just fatter.
Yeah.
Nah, you just fatter.
Yeah, because you a little taller, man. This guy, he don't know what he doing over here. What you doing, bro? Can you get it or can you get it? Take the wheel off. Make it easier for you. Exactly. You gotta work the smart way, man, not the hard way. Then we got my dog Josh over here, man. He over here messing with this Mercedes. Now you got it going on, but it's all good. I'm finna get away from my back, man. I'm gonna cut back on this thing when my wife get here so we can install the lights and see how bright that thing do and how better it look. But we got that fan going on in there, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. So you guys, man, so I was off up in the store, and I'm in Audio Zone 1230 North Belline Road, if you guys don't know. But I was thinking about the next raffle that I'm gonna be doing for you guys, man. Think I maybe want to do the same thing again that I did the last time with the system, because I know there's more people out there that would like a system more than anything else. But it is a national shortage on speakers and stuff like that, so you know, what I can get my hands on, that's what I'll be doing the raffle on. This time I'm not gonna do it with the certain amount of tickets. I'm gonna have a certain amount of tickets, but I'm not gonna disclose the amount of tickets, just because, you know, people just like to complain a lot about nonsense, and I just don't want to deal with it. But gonna be doing that real soon. Gonna be thinking on that, and we're gonna get that situated and together for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna ship everybody's stuff out. You guys just be patient. I haven't been able to ship stuff because I've been so busy, but we're gonna get everything shipped out from all them giveaways, y'all. And some people messed it up for a lot of people, so I'm gonna get back on track and on board with that. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace.
Hey, Sean. We was like, what, nigga? What?
This nigga back. He back. I had to whip it out of this.
You asking some footage, didn't you?
Come on, man. I'm finna catch all that. He stopped, y'all. Hold on, give us a break. And look at Pops over here. Okay, you guys, so let's get down to what this video is all about. What are you talking about?
Everything goes different.
No.
Collection.
No, I gave away my shoes to my little brother. I gave away my shoes. I gave them away. So this video is brought to you guys and sponsored to you guys by Cougar Motor Lighting, man. Make sure you guys hit the description, man. We're gonna try these things out. They sent me the new version to try out and test, because my wife has the yellow ones in her car. Turn on your lights. I'm gonna get her to turn them on, even though they're not in right now. See how they orange. Okay, now turn them on. Now, I'm about to bust these open. Man, never mind me, I'm finna clean under her hood. I gotta do it this weekend. I'm gonna switch this out. So they have the new and improved lights, and they come with the box, everything on them, plug and play. Should be plug and play. Hopefully they plug and play.
By the look of it,
By the look of it, they should be.
they are plug and play.
I gotta get this out.
A13 is always a good one. You need your Puerto Rican friend?
You know you like these reviews. Y'all, the guy behind the camera love these type of reviews.
That's what I do all day.
You know what I'm saying? Audio Cat showing the merch.
Oh, well, no,
And
look
where
at the
they
new
can
merch.
pop it
This
from.
is the new merch. I
Yeah,
don't want to tell the
new
old
merch.
merch. Look at the new merch.
Matching
I can't wait
man.
till I can buy one of my own shirts.
But wait.
Got the matching man.
Oh,
You got it all good. So now we're back to
company.
back to your
Company
regularly
gonna be
scheduled
mad.
program.
They like, oh man, we sponsored this video
No,
and they
edit-
showing our merch. No,
edit out, edit
no,
out,
'cause
doesn't
I
matter.
keep funny moments in. Cougar lighting. That's all you gotta do. Now,
I actually like this design. Okay, so for those that don't know,
okay, yeah.
do you know why the white's in the back of it?
Huh?
Why the white? You see this metal outside, but there's the LED on a white chip. You know why?
No.
All the new high-end manufacturers are using a car. This is no joke. This is the funny part. The back is actually a ceramic carbon. That white that you see back there is a new ceramic carbon, because the LEDs, what happen when they turn on, they get hot. When they get hot, what fails a lot of LEDs, and when they get hot, they start to burn out the metals, they lose contact, the
Yep.
solder's get in contact, you get flickering, so on. That's actually the newest design they got, which actually gets the heat, absorbs it, so when the heat, the LED stays itself and doesn't go to the other contact, and it can make it last a lot longer. All the high-end companies, that's what they're doing, and that's what you're gonna see now. You see a double chipset, because this is high and low.
The high beam, low
This
beam.
is high beam and low beam together, because you also see, this is just thing that I noticed, because I do this a lot, but you see that one beam is on front of the other one? The reason they do that is because when this sits inside the vehicle and plugged into the vehicle, those beams represent the exact lighting output from the original bulbs to give you sure the maximum light. You're not gonna have that blurriness. It can actually be
Exactly.
pinpointed correctly. So I'm actually liking this, guys.
He get it in real quick.
So real, can you explain to everybody what you're doing right now?
I'm installing the flow air box. Why you say flow box? Because he threw me right off real quick. I'm installing the fake cold air intake.
Alrighty. I mean, we understand it's temporary.
Yeah.
She's gonna upgrade to a dock soon.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Bree.
I don't know if it's gonna be no Jeep.
Huh?
It ain't gonna be no Jeep though.
It's gonna be a Mustang, ain't it?
No, I don't think. No, she want a Jeep, but it gotta be able to benefit the channel.
So we are now here at the finale. He's installed them, and now real. Now look, now you know what? This is actually glad. Look, I'm glad that y'all see this. Look at this right here. Y'all see how the beam's a solid beam? That's why you know that it's a high-end bulb. The other ones are flurry up and down. If you know the regular bulb, because whenever you saw that, I showed you the two chips that were top and down. That's why they are. That's why you know that it's a great light. That's a great light kit.
I need.
Who makes that light kit?
Cougar.
Cougar who?
Cougar Motors.
Hold on. We want to thank Cougar Motors for these beautiful lights.
Cougar Motors. I'm gonna show you guys some nighttime footage so you guys can see the car at night. And I can't show you how bright it is from these bulbs because they already in.
Yeah, look at that in the
But
daytime. Look at that bright kind of thing, and it's a straight line across, which is the thing. I actually need you to get me a set for my mom's car, H11. I want to get a set for my mom's car. I actually like that kit.
I know, but it takes so long for me to edit. You know how long I be up?
I know.
And he's still going. Cut.
One eternity later.
So you guys, man, so I just wanted to bring you guys this video and let you guys know how bright these lights are at nighttime. Look at the street right now. It look like I got my bright lights on, but I don't. And you guys, this is not because this video is sponsored. These are the best lights I ever came across. I had them in my scat pack, and now I got them in here. My Hellcat is factory HID, so they can't be converted to these. But y'all gotta understand me. Y'all need to click the link in the description and order these lights. These lights are so good. And another thing I can say about these lights is they last a long time. I had Tatiana for a long time, and I never had a problem, never had an issue with none of them going out. Any of that, never had a problem with them. And these the new and improved versions. So these are the step up from those that I had back then. These are the brand new ones. And y'all look at that. Y'all gotta understand me. Them yellow lights that was up in here wasn't nowhere near this. Nowhere near this at nighttime. At all. You barely could see. You barely can see. But with these lights, I'm talking about it's just crystal clear. It's crystal clear. About to miss the turn. But y'all have to understand me. Like, this is no cap, none of that. Like, these lights are the truth, y'all. And I'm giving y'all my honest opinion, y'all. Look at this. I'm going on the highway right now. I can see the road so clear. Look at that, y'all. I'm not playing. I don't have the bright lights on. Ain't no bright lights on. These lights so bright, y'all don't understand. Especially for you guys that have 10 on your front windshield. These are the lights for you right here. These are the lights. I can't even cap, man. These lights are crazy. These lights are crazy. Dang. Y'all gotta try these lights, man. Y'all have to. Get down in the link in the description and go ahead and get your pair, man, because they are worth it. They are worth it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, Rell to Real man. That like button, that subscribe button, that share button, go ahead, bust it down, man. I'm out of here like last year. Peace.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas say I'm having drugs. Nigga watching, I'ma pay, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, 7 pounds, that'll sell. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, 7 pounds, that'll sell.